Question 1. The primary objective of the marketing concept is to: Option A, maximize production. Option B, maximize sales volume. Option C, satisfy customer needs profitably. Option D, minimize distribution costs. The correct answer is C. Explanation. The marketing concept focuses on identifying customer needs and satisfying them better than competitors while achieving organizational objectives. Question 2. Which of the following best distinguishes marketing from selling? Option A, marketing begins after production. Option B, selling focuses primarily on customer satisfaction. Option C, marketing begins with identifying customer needs. Option D, selling includes market research. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Selling focuses on converting products into sales, whereas marketing starts by understanding customer needs and designing offerings accordingly. Question 3. Which sequence represents the traditional marketing mix? Option A, product, people, process, physical evidence. Option B, product, price, place, promotion. Option C, planning, product, pricing, people. Option D, price, promotion, people, process. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The traditional marketing mix consists of product, price, place, and promotion. Question 4. A company divides its market into customers based on age, income, and occupation. This is: Option A, geographic segmentation. Option B, psychographic segmentation. Option C, demographic segmentation. Option D, behavioral segmentation. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Age, income, and occupation are demographic variables. Question 5. STP in marketing stands for: Option A, sales, targeting, promotion. Option B, segmentation, targeting, positioning. Option C, strategy, targeting, pricing. Option D, segmentation, trading, promotion. The correct answer is B. Explanation. STP stands for segmentation, targeting and positioning. Question 6. Positioning primarily refers to: Option A, selecting a warehouse location. Option B, creating a desired image of a product in the customer's mind. Option C, determining product price. Option D, selecting sales personnel. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Positioning is the process of creating a distinct and desirable place for an offering in the customer's mind. Question 7. A market segment is attractive when it is: Option A, large but inaccessible. Option B, measurable, substantial, accessible, and actionable. Option C, small and highly fragmented. Option D, free from competition only. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Effective market segments should be measurable, substantial, accessible, and actionable. Question 8. Which marketing philosophy assumes that consumers prefer products that are widely available and inexpensive? Option A, production concept. Option B, product concept. Option C, selling concept. Option D, marketing concept. The correct answer is A. Explanation. The production concept assumes customers prefer products that are available and affordable. Question 9. The product concept emphasizes: Option A, aggressive selling. Option B, product quality and features. Option C, distribution efficiency. Option D, customer relationship management. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The product concept emphasizes quality, performance, and features. Question 10. The selling concept assumes that: Option A, customers naturally buy sufficient quantities. Option B, customers must be persuaded through selling efforts. Option C, products should never be modified. Option D, price is irrelevant. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The selling concept assumes consumers need persuasion through selling and promotional efforts. Question 11. Customer perceived value is broadly. Option A, cost minus benefit. Option B, benefits received relative to costs incurred. Option C, price minus profit. Option D, revenue divided by sales. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Customer perceived value compares perceived benefits with perceived costs. Question 12. A company targeting a small, well-defined market segment is following. Option A, mass marketing. Option B, concentrated marketing. Option C, undifferentiated marketing. Option D, product diversification. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Concentrated marketing focuses resources on a narrowly defined segment. Question 13. Which of the following is not a characteristic of services? Option A, intangibility. Option B, inseparability. Option C, perishability. Option D, standardized physical ownership. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Services are intangible, inseparable, variable, and perishable. Physical ownership is not a service characteristic. Question 14. A hotel room that remains vacant tonight represents which characteristic of services? Option A, intangibility. Option B, perishability. Option C, inseparability. Option D, heterogeneity. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Unused service capacity cannot generally be stored for future sale, demonstrating perishability. Question 15. In service marketing, inseparability means: Option A, services cannot be priced. Option B, production and consumption often occur simultaneously. Option C, services cannot be promoted. Option D, services cannot be standardized. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Services are often produced and consumed at the same time. Question 16. The additional elements of the traditional 4Ps required for service marketing are: Option A, people, process, and physical evidence. Option B, planning, packaging and positioning. Option C, personnel, profit, and productivity. Option D, performance, promotion, and packaging. The correct answer is A. Explanation. The service marketing mix expands the 4Ps to 7Ps by adding people, process, and physical evidence. Question 17. Which stage of product life cycle generally experiences rapid sales growth? Option A, introduction. Option B, growth. Option C, maturity. Option D, decline. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The growth stage is characterized by rapidly increasing sales and growing market acceptance. Question 18. During the maturity stage, a company is most likely to focus on: Option A, creating initial awareness. Option B, expanding production only. Option C, defending market share and differentiating the product. Option D, completely withdrawing from the market. The correct answer is C. Explanation. At maturity, firms typically defend market share, differentiate and seek new uses or segments. Question 19. The introduction stage of PLC is generally characterized by: Option A, high awareness and low promotion. Option B, high competition and declining sales. Option C, low sales and high promotional expenditure. Option D, maximum profitability. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Introduction usually involves low sales, high promotional spending and efforts to build awareness. Question 20. Which strategy involves introducing a completely new product to a completely new market? Option A, market penetration. Option B, market development. Option C, product development. Option D, diversification. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Diversification means new products in new markets. Question 21. A company selling its existing product in a new geographical market is pursuing: Option A, market penetration. Option B, market development. Option C, product development. Option D, diversification. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Market development uses existing products to enter new markets. Question 22. Introducing a new version of an existing product for existing customers is: Option A, product development. Option B, market development. Option C, diversification. Option D, market penetration. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Product development involves new or improved products for existing markets. Question 23. Brand equity primarily refers to: Option A, physical value of packaging. Option B, value added to a product because of the brand. Option C, cost of advertising. Option D, company's accounting capital. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Brand equity is the value a recognized brand adds to an offering. Question 24. A product line refers to: Option A, all products produced by an organization. Option B, a group of closely related products. Option C, only the company's most profitable product. Option D, products sold through one distributor. The correct answer is B. Explanation. A product line is a group of closely related products marketed by a company. Question 25. Product mix width refers to: Option A, number of product items within a product line. Option B, number of different product lines offered. Option C, number of brands in one market. Option D, number of customers served. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Product mix width is the number of different product lines offered. Question 26. SWOT analysis is primarily used for: Option A, financial auditing. Option B, strategic analysis. Option C, inventory valuation. Option D, recruitment. The correct answer is B. Explanation. SWOT assesses internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats. Question 27. Which of the following is an external factor in SWOT? Option A, strong brand. Option B, skilled employees. Option C, market opportunity. Option D, efficient production. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Opportunities are external factors. Question 28. A competitor introducing a superior technology would generally be classified as: Option A, strength. Option B, weakness. Option C, opportunity. Option D, threat. The correct answer is D. Explanation. A competitor's superior technology is an external threat. Question 29. A firm's marketing strategy should ideally be aligned with: Option A, only sales targets. Option B, overall corporate strategy. Option C, competitors' advertisements. Option D, employee preferences. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Marketing strategy should support the organization's overall strategic direction. Question 30. In Ansoff's matrix, market penetration means: Option A, existing product, existing market. Option B, new product, existing market. Option C, existing product, new market. Option D, new product, new market. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Market penetration means increasing sales of existing products in existing markets. Question 31. Which strategy carries the highest degree of risk in the Ansoff matrix? Option A, market penetration. Option B, market development. Option C, product development. Option D, diversification. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Diversification combines new products with new markets and is generally the riskiest option. Question 32. A firm's competitive advantage is sustainable when it is: Option A, easily copied. Option B, temporary. Option C, valuable and difficult for competitors to imitate. Option D, based only on low price. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Sustainable advantage is valuable and difficult to replicate or substitute. Question 33. A company differentiating itself through superior customer service is pursuing. Option A, cost leadership. Option B, differentiation. Option C, divestment. Option D, retrenchment. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Superior service is a form of differentiation. Question 34. A marketing plan normally contains. Option A, objectives, strategies, implementation, and control. Option B, only advertising expenditure. Option C, only sales forecasts. Option D, only pricing decisions. The correct answer is A. Explanation. A marketing plan translates objectives into strategies, actions, budgets, and controls. Question 35. Marketing control involves. Option A, eliminating competition. Option B, comparing actual performance with planned performance. Option C, increasing advertising regardless of results. Option D, reducing product quality. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Control requires monitoring performance against plans and taking corrective action. Question 36. The first stage of the consumer decision-making process is. Option A, purchase. Option B, evaluation. Option C, need recognition. Option D, information search. The correct answer is C. Explanation. The buying process starts when a consumer recognizes a need or problem. Question 37. After recognizing a need, the consumer generally. Option A, immediately purchases. Option B, searches for information. Option C, evaluates post-purchase satisfaction. Option D, complains. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Information search generally follows need recognition. Question 38. Which is not generally considered a major factor influencing consumer behavior? Option A, cultural. Option B, social. Option C, personal. Option D, accounting. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Accounting is not a standard consumer behavior influence category. Question 39. Reference groups influence consumer behavior primarily through. Option A, government regulation. Option B, social influence. Option C, production costs. Option D, inventory levels. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Reference groups influence attitudes, preferences, and behavior socially. Question 40. A consumer's lifestyle is classified primarily as A. Option A, cultural factor. Option B, personal factor. Option C, political factor. Option D, technological factor. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Lifestyle is a personal characteristic affecting consumer behavior. Question 41. Motivation, perception, learning and attitudes are. Option A, economic factors. Option B, psychological factors. Option C, demographic factors. Option D, geographic factors. The correct answer is B. Explanation. These are core psychological influences on consumer behavior. Question 42. When a consumer changes his/her behavior based on previous experience, this is associated with. Option A, learning. Option B, perception. Option C, culture. Option D, segmentation. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Learning reflects changes in behavior arising from experience. Question 43. Post-purchase dissonance refers to. Option A, satisfaction before purchase. Option B, doubt or discomfort after making a purchase decision. Option C, price competition. Option D, brand awareness. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Post-purchase dissonance is uncertainty or discomfort after a purchase. Question 44. A consumer purchasing a luxury watch mainly to demonstrate status is influenced strongly by Option A. Social and psychological factors. Option B. Production factors. Option C. Distribution factors. Option D. Accounting factors. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Status purchases are strongly affected by social and psychological motives. Question 45. Impulse buying is characterized by Option A. Extensive planned research. Option B. Spontaneous purchasing. Option C. Long-term planning. Option D. Organizational procurement. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Impulse buying is unplanned and spontaneous. Question 46. In organizational buying, compared with consumer buying, decisions are generally Option A. Less formal. Option B. More structured and involve multiple participants. Option C. Always emotional. Option D. Based only on advertising. The correct answer is B. Explanation. B2B buying often involves formal processes and a buying center. Question 47. Price is unique among the traditional 4Ps because it Option A. Creates costs. Option B. Generates revenue. Option C. Requires distribution. Option D. Requires packaging. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Price is the only traditional marketing mix element that directly generates revenue. Question 48. Cost plus pricing involves Option A. Pricing below cost. Option B. Adding a predetermined margin to cost. Option C. Matching the lowest competitor price. Option D. Pricing according to customer emotions. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Cost plus pricing adds a predetermined markup to cost. Question 49. Penetration pricing means Option A. Setting a relatively low initial price to gain market share. Option B. Setting the highest possible price. Option C. Changing price every hour. Option D. Pricing exactly at cost. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Penetration pricing uses a relatively low initial price to encourage rapid adoption. Question 50. Price skimming involves Option A. Low initial price followed by increases. Option B. High initial price followed by reductions. Option C. Constant price. Option D. Competitor-based pricing only. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Skimming starts with a high price to capture customers willing to pay more, followed by reductions. Question 51. Price skimming is particularly appropriate when Option A. Product differentiation is low. Option B. Customers are highly price sensitive. Option C. There is strong demand and limited initial competition. Option D. Production capacity is unlimited. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Skimming works best when early buyers value the offering and competition is initially limited. Question 52. Psychological pricing is based on Option A. Production efficiency. Option B. Consumer perception of price. Option C. Government taxation. Option D. Warehouse cost. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Psychological pricing uses how customers perceive prices rather than only economic cost. Question 53. Pricing a product at 999 Indian rupees instead of 1000 Indian rupees is an example of Option A. Cost plus pricing. Option B. Odd-even / psychological pricing. Option C. Penetration pricing. Option D. Transfer pricing. The correct answer is B. Explanation. 999 Indian rupees pricing is a common psychological / odd pricing tactic. Question 54. Value-based pricing primarily considers Option A. Customers' perceived value. Option B. Historical cost only. Option C, employee salaries. Option D, competitors' production capacity. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Value-based pricing starts with customer perceived value rather than cost. Question 55. If demand changes significantly due to a small change in price, demand is Option A, inelastic. Option B, elastic. Option C, fixed. Option D, constant. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Elastic demand responds strongly to price changes. Question 56. When demand is price inelastic, an increase in price generally. Option A causes proportionately larger fall in quantity demanded. Option B causes a proportionately smaller fall in quantity demanded. Option C has no effect on revenue under all circumstances. Option D doubles demand. The correct answer is B. Explanation. With inelastic demand, quantity demanded falls proportionately less than the price increase. Question 57. A temporary reduction in price to stimulate sales is known as Option A, promotional pricing. Option B, transfer pricing. Option C, captive pricing. Option D, prestige pricing. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Promotional pricing temporarily reduces price to stimulate demand. Question 58. Bundle pricing involves Option A, selling products individually at different prices. Option B, selling several products together at a combined price. Option C, charging only premium prices. Option D, eliminating discounts. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Bundle pricing combines several products/services and offers them at a combined price. Question 59. Retailing primarily involves Option A, selling to final consumers. Option B, selling only to manufacturers. Option C, selling only to wholesalers. Option D, exporting raw materials. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Retailing primarily sells goods or services to final consumers. Question 60. Which is not a typical retail management function? Option A, merchandise planning. Option B, inventory management. Option C, customer service. Option D, mineral extraction. The correct answer is D. Explanation. Mineral extraction is not a retail management function. Question 61. Store location is important because Option A, customers are completely indifferent to location. Option B, accessibility strongly affects retail demand. Option C, it determines product quality. Option D, it eliminates competition. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Location affects accessibility, traffic, and customer convenience. Question 62. Visual merchandising primarily aims to Option A, reduce employee salaries. Option B, present merchandise attractively to influence purchase decisions. Option C, increase warehouse capacity. Option D, reduce taxation. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Visual merchandising presents products attractively to encourage shopping and purchase. Question 63. Category management involves Option A, managing products within a category as strategic business units. Option B, managing only employees. Option C, managing financial accounts. Option D, managing transportation only. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Category management treats product categories as strategic units to improve shopper value and business performance. Question 64. Inventory turnover measures. Option A, employee productivity. Option B, how quickly inventory is sold/replaced. Option C, customer satisfaction. Option D, advertising effectiveness. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Inventory turnover indicates how many times inventory is sold or replaced over a period. Question 65. A retailer using both physical stores and an online store is following. Option A, single channel retailing. Option B, multi-channel retailing. Option C, wholesale marketing. Option D, direct manufacturing. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Multi-channel retailing uses multiple channels, such as stores and websites. Question 66. Omni-channel retailing emphasizes. Option A, separate channels with no integration. Option B, integrated and seamless customer experience across channels. Option C, only physical stores. Option D, only mobile applications. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Omni-channel retailing integrates channels to create a seamless customer experience. Question 67. Private label products are. Option A, products manufactured only by governments. Option B, products branded by a retailer rather than the manufacturer. Option C, imported products only. Option D, unbranded products. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Private labels are retailer-owned brands, often manufactured by third parties. Question 68. A supermarket is generally classified as. Option A, specialty retailer. Option B, food-oriented mass retailer. Option C, industrial distributor. Option D, service broker. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Supermarkets are large food-oriented retail establishments offering a broad assortment. Question 69. The first step in the marketing research process is. Option A, data analysis. Option B, defining the research problem. Option C, sampling. Option D, report writing. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Research begins by clearly defining the problem or decision to be supported. Question 70. Primary data are. Option A, data collected specifically for the current research problem. Option B, data obtained only from government reports. Option C, historical data. Option D, competitor data only. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Primary data are collected specifically for the research at hand. Question 71. Which is an example of secondary data? Option A, a newly conducted customer survey. Option B, interview conducted by the researcher. Option C, government census report. Option D, focus group conducted today. The correct answer is C. Explanation. A government census is data previously collected for another purpose and can be used as secondary data. Question 72. A questionnaire is primarily a. Option A, data collection instrument. Option B, pricing method. Option C, segmentation strategy. Option D, distribution channel. The correct answer is A. Explanation. A questionnaire is an instrument for collecting structured information from respondents. Question 73. Focus groups are particularly useful for. Option A, exploring consumer attitudes and perceptions. Option B, calculating depreciation. Option C, measuring warehouse capacity. Option D, determining tax liability. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Focus groups provide qualitative insight into attitudes, motivations, and perceptions. Question 74. In probability sampling. Option A. Every population element has a known probability of selection. Option B. Only experts are selected. Option C, respondents select themselves. Option D, sampling is always biased. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Probability sampling gives population elements a known, non-zero selection probability. Question 75. A sample is. Option A, the entire population. Option B, a subset of the population. Option C, only the research team. Option D, a questionnaire. The correct answer is B. Explanation. A sample is a selected subset of the population. Question 76. Sampling error occurs because. Option A. A sample rather than the entire population is studied. Option B. Data can never be collected. Option C. Questions are always incorrect. Option D. Secondary data are prohibited. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Sampling error arises from estimating population characteristics using a sample. Question 77. Which research method is best suited to observe actual consumer behavior? Option A. Observation. Option B. Opinion poll only. Option C. Secondary research only. Option D. Financial audit. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Observation records behavior directly rather than relying solely on stated responses. Question 78. Exploratory research is generally conducted when. Option A. The problem is clearly defined and quantified. Option B. The researcher wants initial insights into an unclear problem. Option C. The final decision has already been made. Option D. No information is required. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Exploratory research helps clarify poorly understood problems and generate hypotheses. Question 79. Descriptive research primarily seeks to. Option A. Describe market characteristics or behavior. Option B. Eliminate all competitors. Option C. Establish accounting standards. Option D. Develop legal contracts. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Descriptive research measures and describes characteristics, attitudes, or behaviors. Question 80. Research designed to test cause and effect relationships is. Option A. Exploratory research. Option B. Descriptive research. Option C. Causal research. Option D. Historical research. The correct answer is C. Explanation. Causal research tests whether changes in one variable cause changes in another. Question 81. Amazon selling products directly to an individual consumer is an example of. Option A. B2B. Option B. B2C. Option C. C2C. Option D. C2B. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Business-to-consumer transactions involve businesses selling directly to individual consumers. Question 82. A manufacturer purchasing raw materials through an online business platform is. Option A. B2B. Option B. B2C. Option C. C2C. Option D. C2B. The correct answer is A. Explanation. A business purchasing from another business is B2B. Question 83. C2C e-commerce involves. Option A. Business selling to business. Option B. Business selling to consumer. Option C. Consumer selling to consumer. Option D. Government selling to business. The correct answer is C. Explanation. C2C means consumer to consumer transactions. Question 84. One major advantage of e-commerce is. Option A. Limited geographical reach. Option B. 24/7 availability. Option C. Elimination of all risks. Option D. No logistics requirement. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Online stores can be available around the clock and reach customers beyond physical locations. Question 85. A major challenge in e-commerce is. Option A. Cybersecurity. Option B. Unlimited physical shelf space. Option C. Elimination of competition. Option D. Guaranteed customer loyalty. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Cybersecurity, fraud, and data protection are major e-commerce challenges. Question 86. Electronic payment systems primarily facilitate. Option A. Online transaction settlement. Option B. Product manufacturing. Option C, physical warehousing. Option D, market segmentation. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Electronic payments enable digital settlement of online transactions. Question 87. E-retailing differs from traditional retailing mainly because. Option A. It cannot sell physical products. Option B. The transaction interface is primarily electronic/digital. Option C. It does not involve consumers. Option D. It eliminates customer service. The correct answer is B. Explanation. E-retailing uses digital channels as the primary transaction interface. Question 88. A shopping cart on an e-commerce website is primarily used to. Option A, track warehouse employees. Option B, store products selected for purchase before checkout. Option C, determine market size. Option D, calculate tax automatically in all cases. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The shopping cart temporarily holds selected products before checkout. Question 89. Conversion rate in e-commerce generally refers to. Option A, percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as purchase. Option B, percentage of products returned. Option C, percentage of inventory damaged. Option D, percentage of employees promoted. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Conversion rate measures the proportion of visitors completing a defined goal. Question 90. Customer reviews in e-commerce primarily contribute to. Option A, social proof and purchase confidence. Option B, production capacity. Option C, warehouse rent. Option D, tax calculation. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Reviews provide social proof and can reduce perceived purchase risk. Question 91. Commercial real estate primarily includes. Option A, residential apartments only. Option B, office, retail, industrial and similar income-generating properties. Option C, agricultural land only. Option D, personal vehicles. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Commercial real estate includes properties used for business and income-generating purposes. Question 92. In commercial real estate, location is important primarily because it affects. Option A, demand, accessibility, and potential rental/occupancy. Option B. Only construction cost. Option C, employee attendance. Option D, product packaging. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Location strongly affects accessibility, demand, tenant suitability, and property economics. Question 93. A warehouse property is generally classified under. Option A, industrial/logistics real estate. Option B, residential real estate. Option C, agricultural real estate. Option D, recreational real estate. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Warehouses are generally part of industrial/logistics real estate. Question 94. A commercial property's occupancy rate refers to. Option A, percentage of property occupied/leased. Option B, construction cost percentage. Option C, property tax percentage. Option D, number of employees. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Occupancy rate is the proportion of available space that is occupied or leased. Question 95. A property owner offering rent-free periods to attract tenants is using. Option A, sales promotion/incentive strategy. Option B, product diversification. Option C, market skimming. Option D, cost plus pricing. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Rent-free periods are leasing incentives used to attract or retain tenants. Question 96. In commercial real estate marketing, the target market could be. Option A, office users, retailers, manufacturers, or logistics operators. Option B. Only individual consumers. Option C. Only government employees. Option D. Only tourists. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Commercial properties target business users according to property type and location. Question 97. A warehouse located close to highways and railway terminals has an advantage primarily because of Option A. Accessibility and logistics connectivity. Option B. Brand equity. Option C. Psychological pricing. Option D. Product life cycle. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Highway and rail connectivity can reduce logistics time and cost and improve operational suitability. Question 98. The marketing of commercial real estate should emphasize Option A. Only property photographs. Option B. Location, accessibility, facilities, rental economics, and suitability. Option C. Only low price. Option D. Only advertising expenditure. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Commercial property buyers and tenants assess functional and economic value, not merely appearance. Question 99. In commercial property marketing, a major objective of lead generation is to Option A. Identify potential tenants/buyers. Option B. Increase property taxes. Option C. Reduce property size. Option D. Eliminate market research. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Lead generation identifies prospects who may become tenants or buyers. Question 100. Which combination is most important when marketing a warehouse to a potential corporate tenant? Option A. Color of walls only. Option B. Location, connectivity, capacity, facilities, rental terms, and operational suitability. Option C. Social media followers only. Option D. Number of advertisements only. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Corporate warehouse users evaluate operational and commercial suitability comprehensively. Question 101. A company discovers that customers value reliability more than low price. It redesigns its offering around reliability and charges a premium. This is primarily Option A. Cost plus pricing. Option B. Value-based positioning and pricing. Option C. Penetration pricing. Option D. Production orientation. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The company is positioning around a valued benefit and pricing according to customer perceived value. Question 102. A warehouse company has vacant capacity. Instead of reducing prices immediately, it identifies industries requiring seasonal storage and develops customized contracts. This represents Option A. Production orientation. Option B. Market segmentation and targeted marketing. Option C. Product elimination. Option D. Random marketing. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The company identifies a specific need-based segment and develops an appropriate offering. Question 103. A commercial property has excellent infrastructure but poor road connectivity. In SWOT analysis, poor connectivity would most appropriately be treated as Option A. Strength. Option B. Weakness. Option C. Opportunity. Option D. Competitive advantage. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Poor road connectivity is an internal limitation of the property and therefore a weakness. Question 104. A competitor's exit from a particular market creates an opportunity for a warehouse operator to acquire new customers. This is Option A. Internal strength. Option B. Internal weakness. Option C. External opportunity. Option D. External weakness. The correct answer is C. Explanation. A competitor's exit is an external market development that can create an opportunity. Question 105. A company has high website traffic but very few purchases. The most relevant metric to examine initially is Option A. Inventory turnover. Option B. Conversion rate. Option C. Market share. Option D. Product width. The correct answer is B. Explanation. A low conversion rate indicates that many visitors are not completing the desired action. Question 106. A commercial warehouse is technically superior but customers consider it too expensive. The best marketing response is: Option A, ignore customer perception. Option B, understand perceived value and reconsider the value proposition. Option C, increase price further. Option D, stop marketing. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The issue is perceived value. Management should understand customer needs and the value proposition before changing price. Question 107. If a customer selects a warehouse primarily because it is near a railway siding and highway, the decision is driven mainly by: Option A, functional value. Option B, psychological pricing. Option C, brand loyalty. Option D, impulse buying. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Location and connectivity provide functional business benefits. Question 108. A retailer integrates its website, mobile app, and physical store so that customers can start a transaction online and complete it in store. This is: Option A, single-channel retailing. Option B, omni-channel retailing. Option C, wholesale marketing. Option D, direct marketing only. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Omni-channel retailing integrates multiple channels into a seamless customer journey. Question 109. A company conducts interviews first to understand why customers are leaving and then conducts a large survey to measure how widespread the identified reasons are. This represents: Option A, exploratory followed by descriptive research. Option B, descriptive followed by exploratory research. Option C, causal research only. Option D, secondary research only. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Qualitative exploratory research identifies possible reasons, followed by descriptive research to quantify them. Question 110. A company launches a new warehouse service in an existing market and attempts to charge a premium because of superior technology. Which combination best describes the approach? Option A, product development plus value-based pricing. Option B, market penetration plus cost plus pricing. Option C, market development plus penetration pricing. Option D, diversification plus psychological pricing. The correct answer is A. Explanation. A new service for an existing market is product development, while premium pricing based on superior perceived value is value-based pricing. Question 111. A company's sales are increasing rapidly, competitors are entering, and distribution is expanding. The product is most likely in: Option A, introduction. Option B, growth. Option C, maturity. Option D, decline. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Rapid sales growth, rising competition, and expanding distribution are characteristic of the growth stage. Question 112. During maturity, sales growth slows while competition becomes intense. The most appropriate strategic focus is generally: Option A, building initial awareness. Option B, defending market share and differentiating. Option C, immediately abandoning the product. Option D, eliminating distribution. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Maturity requires defending market position, differentiation, and finding ways to extend the product's relevance. Question 113. If a commercial property has a high occupancy rate but declining rental yield, management should primarily investigate: Option A, revenue and pricing structure relative to operating costs and market rates. Option B, only advertising expenditure. Option C, product packaging. Option D, consumer psychology alone. The correct answer is A. Explanation. High occupancy does not guarantee strong yield. Rent levels, costs, and market conditions should be assessed. Question 114. A warehouse operator segments potential customers into FMCG companies, fertilizer companies, steel companies, and e-commerce firms. This is primarily Option A, geographic segmentation. Option B, industry/customer-based segmentation. Option C, psychographic segmentation. Option D, behavioral segmentation. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The segments are based on industry or business type. Question 115. Which approach is most appropriate for marketing a B2B warehouse service? Option A, focus exclusively on emotional advertising. Option B, emphasize measurable business value, reliability, location, capacity, and service quality. Option C, ignore decision makers. Option D, use only mass market advertising. The correct answer is B. Explanation. B2B customers generally evaluate measurable operational, financial and service benefits. Question 116. A customer compares two warehouses. Warehouse A is cheaper but farther from the railway terminal, warehouse B is more expensive but saves substantial transportation costs. Choosing B illustrates. Option A, price-only decision-making. Option B, total value/cost consideration. Option C, impulse buying. Option D, product concept. The correct answer is B. Explanation. The customer evaluates total economic value, including transportation savings, rather than rent alone. Question 117. In B2B marketing, the person who actually uses a service may not be the person who makes the final purchase decision. This highlights the importance of Option A, buying center analysis. Option B, mass production. Option C, product elimination. Option D, psychological pricing. The correct answer is A. Explanation. B2B purchases often involve multiple roles, including users, influencers, buyers, and decision makers. Question 118. If a company wants to increase sales of an existing warehouse service by convincing existing customers to use more capacity, it is pursuing Option A, market penetration. Option B, market development. Option C, product development. Option D, diversification. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Increasing usage of an existing service among an existing market is market penetration. Question 119. Which is the strongest example of relationship marketing? Option A. One-time discount. Option B, long-term customer engagement and retention program. Option C. One advertisement. Option D, random price reduction. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Relationship marketing focuses on long-term customer retention and value creation. Question 120. For a commercial real estate asset, which proposition is most likely to be attractive to a corporate tenant? Option A, beautiful building alone. Option B, strategically located facility with defined capacity, connectivity, operational infrastructure, and commercially viable lease terms. Option C, lowest price regardless of suitability. Option D, most advertisements in the market. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Corporate tenants evaluate the complete value proposition, including location, capacity, connectivity, infrastructure, and commercial terms.